high, Braxton, up high. Braxton.
Bring it across, Ty, bring it across. You got James, you got James. Good idea, good idea.
Go out, let it go out.
No. Not out.
Bodie, that's time.
You got man coming slow, Bodie.
Tyler, come
Turn
wide.
look.
Tyler, get wide.
Turn look. Bodie. Let it.
Hey, James, where's it going, bud? There we go.
Good touch. Get out here, James. Get out here, James. You got James now. Save it, James. Nice save. On. Well done.
Go.
Good idea. Win it back, Ty. Help him out, James. Team tight. Cut. Pull it back. Nice idea. Guys, pull. Bodie, no, here it comes. Don't let him turn. No turn. Nice. You got time. Go, Brax.
James, get there, buddy. You want your shoes on?
Braxton,
Let's
touch
go.
that and make a pass. Up high, over their heads.
Nice, Brax.
There it is. Wide again. You got it. Pull it.
Oh, nice.
Good shot, Tyler. Good shot.
Good shot,
Drop.
Tyler.
No run.
On that, you gotta pull that back and then go to kill zone.
Braxton.
Tyler, help. There we go.
Good job, Brax.
Riker, help
Good
it.
job, Braxton.
Nice.
Tyler, mark up.
Good D, Brax.
Riker, where's the guy? Braxton, where's the guy?
Bodie, who you got? Tyler, control. There it is. He's on. Go, buddy. Nice idea, Tyler. Nice idea. James, cut across. Okay?
Go play with Elliot. Did you see Ellie?
Mine's like when I like right there.
I did 4 minutes. It's 25.
Carson, get ready. At 5, you go into Riker, okay? We need it all out.
Hey, buddy. Remember,
Good job. You get everything you had, Carson. They want to shoot from that guy.
Right.
Let's go help on the corner.
Hey, man up like we talked. Show it.
Braxton on the post.
Bodie, who's got?
Guy first.
John Liam.
Good ball.
Come to it, James.
Turn around, Luke.
Nice win.
Back. Tyler, look at your minus.
Andrew, call for it. Alex, switch.
See them?
Yeah, beautiful ball.
See them? You
Great
know,
idea, Alex. Great idea. Alex, that's a great idea.
Go, James.
Yes,
Good
Luke.
fight,
Nice,
James.
James. You got Tyler wide. Tyler, you got to switch.
Go, Tyler.
Good ball.
Riker.
Oh,
Nice, James.
Oh.
nice, James. Good try.
Riker.
Let's go, right.
Nice job, Riker. Way to good position right there. Good position.
James, win this right now.
Just a couple minutes and we're going for
One
Tyler.
thing I want you to work on when you go back out there, like on that corner, you need to step up and get an open guy, okay? Because you were just kind of standing in no man's land. So just find an open guy. Good hustle, buddy. Good hustle.
There it is.
Nice, Tyler.
Oh.
Thanks, guys.
Turn around.
Good talk.
Boot.
Get back. Whoa. Stand him up.
Here you go.
Oh.
Bodie, move your feet, bud. Tyler, good pursuit.
Bodie, push him out and then stand him up.
James, where's it going to be coming, bud?
That's not my job.
Everybody else is running around and he won't go get the ball.
Good, Bodie.
Let's keep it up here now. Let's keep it up here.
Go
Don't let
side.
him get back.
Nothing
James,
over you.
get your guy.
Guard.
Nothing easy, guys. Keep it up here.
Good, Carson.
Go fast.
Go quick, Cars.
Go
Quick.
fast.
Feet down. Again, follow. Cover.
Good.
Oh, yes, there.
That's a good idea.
I like the passing game that you're trying to get going right now. That's pretty. Bodie, be yelling for that ball across.
Go. James, put heat, James. You don't dribble in our goal, guys. Tyler.
Yeah!
Tyler.
Did it go? Did it go?
That go.
Yeah, it went. Yeah, it went. Hey, good passing, Outlaws.
Hey, we're gonna
Way to
sub,
go,
sir.
Outlaws.
We're gonna sub. Tyler, come here.
Right, James.
Right. Tyler, come here. Bodie, come here.
Buddy, run out. Hey, good passing, boys. That's what we're looking for.
James, you see how pesky he is up here? We gotta be pesky and get shots on.
Oh, nice. Go, 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 go. To the sideline. The sideline's your easiest bet, okay? Go, go.
Nice.
Pressure, Cars. Pressure.
Control.
Braxton, no run back. No run by you, Braxton. There you go.
I think Liam might have enough. We should have a drink.
Get in play, get in play.
Liam, be ready. Hey, Ron, don't you work for nursing homes? Which one are you over?
Braxton, what's wrong?
I thought what your wife said. Come on, Carson.
Trey, he's gonna run
There
you.
we go.
He's trying to
Come on,
run fast.
Carson.
Keep going. Keep going,
Stay on it,
Cars.
Carson.
Again, Cars. Nice fight. Put it down that line. There it is. It comes right. Nice pass, Carson.
Braxton, what's wrong?
Look, win it. Nice try. Hey, win that every time.
Hey,
Get up here.
Mike, can you sub Braxton the next one?
Hey, hey, nobody gets off the hook. Bodie, you ready to go? You need to go for Braxton. Right now. Get up there. Landon, you have to be pesky. Bodie, remember. Be there, James. Sideline. Don't stab, okay? Just move your feet.
Carson, that's you.
Riker, don't keep
Carson,
up on
that's you.
it.
Carson, you're waiting. Go at it hard. Braxton, run.
Good hustle, Braxton.
Nice, Braxton.
Okay, sub him.
Sub.
James. Landon, pesky. Bodie.
Hey, Carson. You're a step slow. If you're close, just get it.
James, way to be
Don't be
pesky.
waiting
What's
on it.
Way to be pesky. Hey, dude. Good D, buddy.
Good D. You okay, Braxton?
Get your drink, right? You win? You tired?
Carson, we need this.
Come on, Landon.
Come on, Cars.
Get there. Now go.
Nice.
Go, Landon.
Get there, Landon. Carson, hurry. Hurry.
Down. Down.
Riker, make a run.
Good idea. Good idea.
Stay with them.
Good out
Jay, wide. Wide.
Nice, Bodie.
Now down the line. Get there. Hey, James, what's up, man?
Landon, no.
Braxton, what's wrong?
Landon, keep going, Landon.
What's wrong?
Work.
Nice hustle back, Cars.
Someone stepped on your toe?
Keep working down the line.
What?
Hey, you guys, we're doing well, okay? We're doing well. Keep it up. Everybody keep your hustle up, okay? Again.
Huh?
Hey, Riker.
Check his toe to see what's wrong with him.
Give that option for the pass, okay?
Yeah, something's wrong with the toe, he says.
Oh.
Can you go check on him, please?
She said,
Keep going. Keep going.
That's control, Liam.
Okay,
got
get over
Trey.
here. Come help him. Help him.
Hey,
Right,
Riker, yours.
Now.
Don't let him
Get
out.
the line.
Don't let him out.
Get on the line, Landon.
Oh, you got Carson.
Carson.
Good. Go.
Carson, you gotta step hard, too.
Help him out.
Landon, stay on it. Stay on it, Landon.
Get right foot, right middle.
Landon, you gotta come right.
Landon, if you touch that right, you gotta pass.
good job, Trey.
Get there. Okay, throw it in.
Carson, get in the mix.
Okay, now move. Go.
Go, Carson.
You got time, Trey.
Carson, get wide.
Good pass. Side.
Now help him.
There you go.
Help.
Bodie, push over. Bodie, push over.
Good hustle, Cars.
Now, Landon, now, Landon.
Come on, Bodie. Riker, come wide. There we go.
There you go.
Bodie, make that
Pressure. Pressure.
You're ready.
Trey, that's you.
Nice.
Get it.
Landon, you got to be able to use your right foot, okay? Now get out here.
Go put your shoes on.
Riker.
Oh, careful with her.
When we get the ball, come wide, okay? You get it, Landon. Press down. Keep Landon.
That's hard.
Oh my God.
Over his head.
Too much ground.
Up there, not back.
Better fix that, Dennis. Practice, Landon.
Bodie, steer with the guy.
Liam, be ready. Be active. Show to him. Hurry, get there.
Trey, nice containment, dude.
And there's 2 seats next to her, Gary.
Be on the ready, Liam. Landon, you got to go with him. Liam.
Jumper too.
Right there.
Sub.
How are you doing?
Good job, right there. Ready to run, Landon.
Way to go, boys.
Hey babe, what was wrong?
Touch it. Nice.
Just his toe?
I know.
What, his toe get stepped on?
Halfback, Tyler. You're the halfback.
He told me last week that he
Goal side.
When?
after school.
Landon's job, okay?
Nice, Cars.
Bodie has the ball to make the pass.
So I'm guessing.
You run up, you won't run your back. He's going on your back. You make the
Showdown.
You make Landon run back. You gotta make sure you get back and get wide
Move.
for that pass, and then you can take that.
Come to Trey.
Work on that in indoor, going up and pulling it back.
Liam, be ready. Be there, Trey. Be ready, Liam. Out.
Yes.
Where's it going?
Tyler, go win this. Carson, go
Carson, win this ball.
Carson, step in front of that guy.
He's like, don't stress, I'll figure it out. And this kid's like, I just hit 60 points. What are you telling me?
Touch it. Go. Go. Nice.
Go, Tyler. Go, Tyler.
Nice job, guys.
So when does he run, right?
Bodie, get on up now. Run.
Yeah, that was it. I'm like, that was it.
Number 3 in the middle is yours.
It's like, that was a
Touch
great
it,
break.
nice.
That side. Bodie, slide in that
Trey,
way.
back up. Trey, back up.
Run.
Trey, back up.
Yeah, he's over on the
Outside, Bodie. Liam. Landon, get here. Here.
Look at Landon.
Touch it.
Oh.
Liam.
Good job.
Liam.
Landon, go.
Touch it. Touch it.
Go, Landon, go.
Nice. Yeah, Landon.
Nice, go!
Go. Shot. Follow.
Carson, you talk.
Run back, Tyler. Run back. That's a handball. Tyler, that's a handball. He's out of the goal box. James, how can we take James says ask me to take Tyler. Landon, remember when we talked in practice? I didn't even see that.
Carson. Wait, sir, is it the red? Hey, ask the red.
The keeper stepped out of the box.
Braxton, are you alright? You sure?
He's just like, oh, I caught it.
No.
And he just probably doesn't think of anything else.
That should be a direct hit. The only time it's an indirect hit is when they pass it back to him. If he steps out of the box, that should be a direct hit. That's a direct hit.
he touches the ball, run up on him.
You ready, Landon?
Braxton.
Yeah, we do. I think it is. I think the pass back keeps indirect handball. Landon, where's it going? Be dangerous with it.
You want to run past Trey?
Stop.
Come
on, Landon.
Come on,
Brax. Landon, keep coming.
Nice cut.
Get there. Help him out.
Cover middle. Step up. Go, Brax.
Go, buddy.
job, Braxton.
Look out. Look outside.
Nice, Landon.
Yeah, all over it.
Nice, Landon.
Nice
All over it. Go. Come on, Landon, go.
Don't let him out easy. That's not easy.
Come on, Brax. Outside, Braxton. Outside.
Ashton, hustle up there and help.
Sub.
Your midfielder, go throw that in.
Go, buddy. You got it.
Practice speed, okay?
James.
You gotta be fast to the ball. Fast to the ball.
Can't let him out easy. Riker, you've got to be active, okay, bud? No standing.
Cover, cover, cover.
Nice, Braxton.
Look behind. Go stab, Tyler.
Nice, Braxton. Nice.
Hey, the minute someone touches it, we got to close that gap fast.
Tight.
Watch this pass back. Watch it. Watch you, Landon.
Go to it. Come on, Landon.
Straight up.
Go. Go touch it, you two.
That's good, Landon. Way to get in the mix.
Now, Landon, come up here. Right up here, Landon. Now, right up here. Right at the half line, Landon.
Nice, Ty. It's all right. Landon, keep coming.
Liam.
Down.
Watch that, Liam.
Where's going? Come on, Liam. Touch it. Find it over. Touch it.
Liam, if you're going to get that ball, you yell Liam.
Landon, do not give up on it.
Tyler, they want to go over your head.
Hands are ready.
Down
Go,
the line.
Landon.
Down the line.
See Carson. Down the line. Go.
Oh.
Good idea, Tyler. That's the right idea.
Touch. Track it.
He wanted to just down 1,000 first by the Mavericks, but turn.
Get there. Get there. Go. Beat him. Beat him. Get there. Stop. Carson. Landon.
Hey, you guys, get us one more before halftime, guys.
Hurry. Run it off. Sprint.
Hey, good work. Good work.
Carson, good hustle. Landon, good hustle. Except for
Bodie, when are you ready?
Landon, you let him out easy over here, okay?
Okay, next up.
Go. He said don't let him out easy. You gotta
Come on, James.
Close him out, okay? You just been a job. Other than that, you know, good effort. Way to
Riker,
stay
drop
in the
back and get the ball.
Trey. Bodie, be tough. Don't stab him, Bodie.
Shot, Trey.
Trey.
Great job, Trey.
Go, Trey.
Bodie, push in. In the middle. You're guarding nobody.
Find the mark. Find the mark. Go, Bodie, go. Up that line.
Track you, James.
James, you gotta win it.
Get there.
James, stay with him. Don't let him out, James. Don't let him out easy. There
Nice.
you go.
Nice. Get there, Riker.
Run, Riker, run!
And I'm back, Ty.
It's all right, Tyler.
Pull it back, Tyler. Pull it back.
Go. Kill it.
And boom. Get there, Riker. Turn around. James, show over there. Hurry.
Riker.
In play.
Riker. Go
Tyler, find
faster.
a mark.
Let's go faster. Let's go.
Tyler, you okay? Mark him then.
Out, Bodie.
See Tyler. Now. Then on.
Come on, Tyler.
Control. Line. There it is.
Come on, James. Pretty.
Hey, hey, I'm at the game.
Down the better shot. One touch shot.
Yeah, I am recording. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, see you, bye.
Keep coming now. Good.
Touch it, James.
Come on, James. Come on, James.
What you got inside the middle? Gotta get. James, that's that flick pass we've been working on, dude.
Wide. Keep coming.
Go,
Okay, sub. Riker,
come here.
Take your space, bud.
Alright, they'll miss you on
Carson, get a man.
Drop, drop!
Nice, Braxton.
Hey,
Don't let him get deep on you, Brax.
I'm gonna tell Logan.
Nice, nice.
Come to it, James. Hurry.
Good pressure, Tyler. Good pressure. Bodie, back to the goal side. Tyler, right now. Down the line. You got middle. You got Carson.
Oh my gosh!
So sweet,
Good shot, James.
Hey, you got sub, Tyler.
Tyler, good idea.
James and Carson ran into place, so Tyler put a crossover right there.
Carson, win this in the air. Get out of the air and get it to Tyler. Get it out of the air and get it to Tyler.
That's you, Jay. All over, buddy.
Yeah! It paid off. Liam! Liam!
stay in bounds. Don't go past.
Touch it, Tyler.
Good touch.
Get there, James.
Go, James. Go, James! Go. Carson, make a run. James! Control and hit.
Look at Tyler.
Guys, we got to talk. So, right here, you were
Right,
Tyler.
hey, Jay.
You got to be yelling.
No more
Bodie,
passes
step
on
in
the
that
outside
middle.
of your foot. Zero.
Landon, did you hear that?
Braxton, stay there. Braxton, stay there. We got Bodie moving up.
Don't do it. That is no for you.
Your ball, your ball.
Okay, Bodie, slide. Slide back now. He's got that. Slide back in the middle.
Oh,
Bodie, slide back in the middle
hit
now.
Bodie, hit Bodie.
James,
Right there, right there.
Go, James.
Hey, pressure, boys, pressure. Keep it up.
One more.
Right, you got Bodie.
Bodie.
Good idea, Bodie. Send him up. Bodie, that's you. That's you. Go, 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 go. Good pass, Bodie.
Onside.
There it is.
Come on, James, let's go. Take it off, buddy. That's so pretty. Riker, you ready? Okay, Riker, you got a lot of energy, okay, bud? Remember, it's one-touch shot. You got a goal if you rip a shot from the 18, okay, bud?
Can you do it on my phone?
Tyler, let them kick it to their...
Back up.
More space,
In
Brax.
there, Jake.
More space, more space.
Are you gonna play soccer?
Tyler, you have a pass, but then you don't pass.
Now, Bodie,
Down the
wide.
line, down the line. James, keep coming wide. James.
Control.
James, you're
Pass
outside.
it. Pass it.
Go, James. James.
Good call.
That's a good idea, though. James, just stay on side.
Just got it easy from the football.
Get in front of him.
You should get a red cap out there.
Oh,
Beat him.
Nice shot, guys.
Good half, Outlaws. Good half.
Come here. Come here, B. Beatrice, come here. Come here. Come on. Look. Look what I have. Come here.
Good, Brad. Hey, let's go.
Nice, Riker.
Ruby. Step up. Follow.
way to talk, Liam.
Tyler, Riker.
Switch.
Nice, don't let him easy. Nice, James.
Tyler, help.
Come on, Tyler!
Nice, you guys. Don't let him out easy. Riker, Tyler, we're getting this ball right
Turn
here.
around, Jay. That's you. Here it is. Let's go quick.
Nice.
That's it.
Good,
Nice,
Braxton.
Yes, Ashton. Stay in front. That was out. Go ahead. That's right. Go ahead and throw that in out.
Oh!
Nice, good pass.
Have a shot, dude.
Oh.
Where's it going, Jake?
I thought it was still in too.
That on film, Sibby.
As soon as she got back.
Stay on him, James. Good.
Go, James. Go, James. Go. Big kick, Nick. Big kick. Go, go, go.
Go around, Braxton. They want to kick it over your head.
Do it.
Liam, boot it.
James, let's go.
Hey, you gotta get away.
Although maybe he doesn't know where
Riker, slide in.
Touch it.
Go, Ty. Touch that, Outlaws. That's you, Riker. That's you, Riker. Control him. Nice step, Riker. Go, Bodie. Now.
Stay back and help a little bit.
Now, Bodie, now. There you go. James, switch. There it is. Oh, Riker, beautiful pass. Riker, beautiful pass. Tyler.
Braxton.
That's a good hit.
Brax. Fill in the gap.
Riker, so pretty. That's what we're looking for.
There, right here.
That's what we're looking for. And Bodie, try this way about 5 feet. Towards me.
In front of it.
Braxton, no.
Offset.
Nice job, Braxton.
Good hustle, Braxton.
That's a great play.
After that injury that he got.
Braxton, slide that side now. Ball's on that side. Slide that way.
Same thing with Finley.
Braxton, right up there in the middle. Yes, Ashton. Good. Now go. Yes.
Get over, Tyler.
Yes, Ash.
Get there, right?
Good job, buddy.
Just give it back. Give it back.
Give it back.
Good hustle. Yes.
Seriously, look at the
ball.
ball.
Good idea, Ashton.
Nice, Liam.
Way to communicate, boys. Liam, good talk.
Come on, Tyler.
Tyler, just send it one touch.
Tyler, go.
Thank you, Braxton. Put it through.
Go, bro.
Now, Bodie.
Braxton, go wide.
Go, James!
Support him.
Set it up. Shoot. There we go. James, don't ever pull it back away from the goal. We were keep coming, then you pulled it away. James, keep bringing it to the middle.
Alex, you stay right there. Go score for me, sweetheart.
That's something. He's almost afraid to shoot now.
Everybody loves it.
Nice.
That's the guy, Ashton.
That's yours, Riker. Your ball.
Liam, you gotta get down on that.
Braxton, we can't let him have that in the first place.
Liam, be ready.
See the ball.
Other side, Braxton. Both sides.
Do it, Jay. Do it.
Nice. Get it out of here, Bodie.
Go, Jay.
Go, Ty. James, get there. Get there, James. Control it wide. Right there. Bodie, help.
Get up.
Braxton.
Nice, Braxton. Yeah, lead him out. Pushing him out. Get to it. Get to it.
Nice job, man. We gotta make sure we win the ball.
Go! Go!
James onside. Yes, Ash. Yes, Ash. Tyler, pass it. We are not passing, guys. We gotta get back to passing.
Come on, Brax.
Not in their game.
Brax! Come on, Braxton!
post, right?
Bodie, hit it in the air.
That's you, Bodie.
This one's yours, Bodie.
Too hard,
Where's
hard.
it going?
Nice, Bodie. Good,
Right,
good.
I got it. Hey, Landon, what's up?
Very aggressive. He's right when we have those chances. Good.
Let's
Down
go.
the line.
Let's
Down the line. Go. Down the line. Bodie. Landon, down the line. There's offsides on throwing. Let's go.
We're out, Landon. You can throw more. Go.
Again, quick. Let's go. Let's go. Carson, make a run.
All the way down.
Right there, right there. You're fine.
Good.
Carson, you gotta touch that. You can't just let it ride. Nice, Trey.
Go to it. Oh, watch offside.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
That kid in the white touched it.
I don't know about that one.
Hey, Landon, watch where he's looking.
Trey, he's trying to run past you.
He called it on right there.
Trey, Trey, you got it, bud.
No turn, Trey. No turn, Trey. No turn. Carson, go.
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 There.
Let it go.
Move. Go.
Nice ball. Get
Go.
through.
Oh!
Get up there. Wow.
Riker, you okay?
That sucked.
You're Riker, you okay?
You're all right, Riker. You're all right.
You did awesome. Good hustle, bud.
Riker, good hustle.
You're all right, Riker.
Way to beat it, Riker.
The Outlaws, turn around. Let's go.
Good
job, Riker.
Take your shot.
Boys.
There you go, Riker.
Let's go. Jordan, let's go. Riker, move. Go. Shot.
Hit. Switch it.
Control, get there. Help him out. Help him out.
Cars, hard throw. Let's go. Landon, down the line. Landon, down the line.
Bodie, no. They're trying to make runs on us. You're right in the middle, Bodie. Trey, do not let him get a run on you.
Carson, run.
No pressure him now, Ash.
Riker, win it. Beat it, right? Go to the ball, right?
Sprint.
Nice, Riker. Again, hold him up.
Nice, Riker.
Good job, Riker.
Mark up, Black. Be strong.
Come on,
There
Landon.
goes. There goes.
Riker. That's a good finish, young man.
Riker, do it again.
Hey, Outlaws, let's stay aggressive. Let's pep the goal. Let's outside the circle.
Landon, score.
Go, Landon, go. Go, help him out. Go. Help him out. Get switch. Nice.
Keep on it.
See how he fights, guys?
Go, Carson.
Go, Landon, fight.
Nice, Landon. Carson. Bodie, step up in that gap. No, Bodie, up. Bodie.
Come on,
That way. Keep going.
Landon, where's
Right
your
there.
position? Back it out.
Anything comes out, you put it on goal.
Backside. Bounce off.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Carson!
Go, Carson. Charge the ball.
Carson cheered for himself, so I'm giving him If he touched it,
Nice, Riker. Good
Get
step.
there. Get there. Right, run, run.
Let it go.
Landon, where's it going, Landon?
Let's go.
He left that in, that would be so
First to touch it. Touch it first.
Hey, Riker, I know what you're doing, but cover more of the middle as you make that run.
Nice.
Nice, Bodie.
That's yours, Riker!
Get there, sprint.
Pressure and pressure. Yeah, Bodie tight. Bodie tight. Nice.
Nice, Riker!
There it is.
Yeah!
Great pass. Great pass. Riker,
Hey,
such a pretty
Outlaws,
pass.
if they dribble, we take on them. Pressure, Outlaws, pressure. No.
Tell me to control myself. This is crazy.
I knew I shouldn't have said it. How you did anyway? Yeah, it is good stuff. Move for him.
Nice, Bodie.
Right to the sideline.
Nice, Tony.
Keep going. To the goal. Come on, boys. Go. Right, that's all right. Foot down.
Nice, Rikers.
Outlaws, where's the goal?
They want to run it.
Stop him. Stay after. Go, Trey.
Kick it. Nice.
Landon, touch it.
Talk to people.
Go, Cars. Go. Do it.
Pressure now,
Pressure. Where's he going? Wide. Riker, get here.
Nice try, Bodie. Stay with him. Don't let him turn on you. Nice, Bodie. Bodie, back up, mark up. Everybody mark up. Carson, stay with that number 3 right by you.
Watch Liam.
Trey, so you can see the ball and the man. Nice.
Where's he going? First to touch it. Come on, Landon.
Let's go.
Go. Don't let him out. Where's he going?
Carson, come to it.
Wow, that's
Nice first
quite a
time.
distance to be spelling that. Gum. And I just
Get there.
Landon, got line. Give me a heart.
Bodie, step on this. Bodie, step.
Down the line, right here. Down the line.
Nice, Outlaws.
Go, Landon. Unlucky. Just run with that ball. Let it bounce and go with it, okay? Hey, that's the only time you want to really let it bounce, okay? Good job. Stay with it. You're doing great.
Come on, Outlaws. Nice, Riker.
You got Carson. Carson, that's you. Nice.
Get here.
That's the pressure I want, Carson. That's good work.
Guys, go hard for 3 minutes. Go hard for 3 minutes.
Carson.
Go, Landon.
Nice, Landon.
Liam, right down.
Bodie, come on up. You got Bodie.
Look at Bodie.
Control it. That's okay, Bodie. Hey, that's okay.
Nice try, dude.
This is the big time when I say control, okay? You had time. Trey, see that side. Nice. See Carson on the switch. See Carson. There it is.
Down the line.
He's covered now, so let's go. That's you, Bodie.
Control it.
Switch it. Big switch. That's okay, Bodie. That's okay. Win it back. There you go. Just keep winning. Go. Go, Carson. Go. Nice.
To the line.
You got Trey. That's a good ball.
All right, I'm fine with that.
That's a good ball.
Don't let him out. Good job, Riker.
Nice job, buddy.
Let it go. Down the line, let it go.
It's okay.
Get it. Good.
Let it go. It's control. Go.
Get that for him. Good. 1 more minute, guys. Landon, run. Carson, come in a little. Go, Landon.
Carson, you got to come to that so you can win it.
Hey,
Throw it. Carson, now get wide. Go.
Landon,
hey, what halfback are we going to?
Carson.
Landon, go. Landon.
Riker.
Out, Bodie, out. Bodie.
Backside.
No.
Nice cover, Carson.
Riker, get him by your guy. Get tight on him, Riker.
No foul. Good.
Go. Landon. Carson. Bodie. There you go, boys. You just take off running, let Riker throw it on your head, okay? You're not offside. Not on goal.
Hey, step in front of me, Tyler. There you go. Sorry, Braxton. Hey, that's all right. Everybody mark up. Tyler, come down the middle.
Carson, good job. Good job.
Roger, step.
I don't know if anybody started our time. 19.
Go, Tyler.
6 minutes left. Okay?
Go!
Guys, we might get in one more time.
Nice. Get there, right there. James. Well, good run. Good run, good shot. Right. Way to be in position, dude. Way to be in position. James. Cross.
What is it? 5 to 1? 6 to 1?
I'm gonna lift you up, ready?
5 to 1?
You gotta clap for the boys, okay?
Keep it up, Outlaws. Jack it. Come on, Riker. Come on, Riker.
Riker, there we go. Play the ball, Riker. Come on. James, pressure that, James. Now, there we go. James, control, buddy.
Come on, Tyler.
Braxton!
Dude, sit on my head.
You want to get Riker?
Run!
Next up, Riker. Next up, okay? So go hard for a few more minutes. Carson, you ready? Keep it up, buddy.
Get it back!
Nice, Braxton. Good, Tyler. Good idea. James, get there. James, get there. James, get there. Go help him, James.
Nice try.
Go down and help out.
Brax!
Out, Braxton. Good.
Nice, Braxton.
Hey, Trey. Just don't bring it back in here. That's the kill zone. Trey, take a couple dribbles, nail that out of here, bud. Liam, be ready. Good, Brax.
Good job, Bobo.
No, we only have about 4.5.
Tyler,
Are you the Bobo?
go to defense. Braxton, move up to halfback. Braxton. Braxton up it. Tyler.
Go, Brax!
Do it, Jay.
Come
on, James. Come on, Tyler.
Braxton, push up!
Get it right?
Step back. Send it. Now, James, move the quarter, James.
Stand up.
Tyler, nothing fast. Braxton, go for it.
Go wide, Braxton! Okay, you got time, go!
Come on, Barry.
Carry. Get up, keep it. Stay on him.
Riker. Sub. Feet down. Riker. Carson.
You're halfback, Braxton. You're halfback.
Back to halfback.
Go! Go, Brax, go! Stay with them!
Go, James.
Oh!
Braxton, good shot.
Say Bobo.
Carson, I know you're not. You got nothing behind you. You got to go mark this guy. Yeah.
Braxton, give me a shot, Brax. Brax, give me a shot.
You got to come back on one side.
Braxton, you're on the right side. There you go.
Go fast. Get it. Go fast right now.
Feet down.
Go.
It's all right.
Set. Go.
You're playing defense too.
Drop back. Tyler's got that guy. You drop.
James, get there, James.
That's yours.
Step, Brax. Good.
Go.
Come on, James.
Don't let him out. Keep going, Carson.
Nice. Go fast.
Go. Keep it up.
Look at Tyler. Come on, Trey. Pop it up. Nice ball, Trey. Go. Follow. Carson, no. James is taking it. James, you're taking it. Feel that back throw. What's that?
Birthday for real. Carson. No, take that back spot. Tyler, Brack, we right there. Let's go.
Here's Brad.
Outside. Nice.
Nice.
Shoot it. On your press.
Yeah. 7-1. Keep pressure, keep pressure.
Go.
That's yours, Braxton. Get up, get up. Get in position, position. Yeah.
Go back.
Come on, Tyler. Good, Trey. Good job, go, Trey. They realize they're getting a feel for how the team.
You want to cheer? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.